Hi my lovelies, welcome to Eat at Last. Today we are going to be making fufu and we're going to be making this simple recipe using oat flour. And so without much further ado, let's get to it. We start by grinding our oats. You can use rolled oats, instant oats, or even buy ready-made oats flour if you prefer. I like to make my own flour as this gives me some flexibility as I can make the flour as smooth or as coarse as I like, just depending on my taste and mood. Once done, we're going to start to combine. Heat water in a small pot or pan, then slowly add in the oats flour. You want to add the flour a little at a time, stirring immediately to combine so as to minimize the amount of lumps you get in the end. Continue mixing, breaking the lumps as you go and adding in flour a little at a time. It'll get smoother and should look something like this. Add the rest of the flour gradually, stirring continuously. If you prefer your fufu softer, you can add a small amount of water, about 1/3 cup. After it's done cooking, cover and just allow this to steam for like 5 minutes. Likewise, if you like it firmer, just go ahead and use more flour. My fufu looks good, so I'm going to cover it and let it steam for 3 to 5 minutes. And that's it. Once cooked, removed from the heat, portion as preferred and serve. Let me know in the comment section what you like to serve your fufu with. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe as well as click on the notification button below so you get notified each time I upload a new video. I'm glad you stopped by, and until next time, bye bye.